Hello kids, welcome to English class. In this class, we will complete our book activities. Let's start.
Kids, take out page number 41 of your English reader book. Page number 41. Now, what is the heading? We are going to read the heading. Now, this is activity. Choose the correct word from the help box and write it below the picture. So there are many pictures. Okay, you have to see the picture. What is this picture about? What is the name of the picture? Find out from the box and write it here. So see the first picture. Which picture is this? This is a twig. Where is twig written in the yellow box? This is Raiparep Twaiga twig. And Fina Finno. So put number 1 on twig and write it on the blank space right here. T W twa E and G twig twaiga twig twaiga twig twaiga twig. Come to second picture. What is this? This is a fin of a fish. Where is fin? Raiparip fina fin. This is fin. Put number 2 here and write fa e na fin. Fina fin. Number 2. And now, which picture is this? This is tearing of the paper. What is called? Rip. Raipa rip. So put number 3 here and write down ipa rip. Ipa rip. Ipa rip. Okay. So these 3 pictures completed. Okay. Twig, fin and rip. Now come to the below pictures. Now, which picture is this? I told you this is what? Rib. Inside our body is a rib cage. So this is rib. Where is rib written? Fig, fig, no, raiba, rib. Yes. Put number 1 on raiba, rib and write it here. R, E and B, rib, raiba, rib. Raiba, rib. Now which fruit is this? This is figa, fig. So put number 2 on fig and write down. Fa, E and G, fig, figa, fig. Okay, figa, fig. Now this number 3 is a tap and water is what? Dripping. Water is coming out from the tap. It is called dripping. Drip, drop, rain. You have learnt na poem? Drip, drip. Water, how water comes out? Drip, drip, drip. Okay, where is drip? Dra, ipa, drip. So put number 3 and write it over here. Dr, dra, blend and E, drip. Okay, so this finishes page number 41. Okay, do it in your book. Kids, now open page number 42 of your English book and read the heading. What is heading? Activity. Circle the correct word and write it twice. Twice means 2 times. Here is the picture. You have to find the correct word from the 3 words. Circle it and write it twice. 1 and 2. 2 times. Okay. So what is this? This is a bin. Where is bin? Ba in a bin. Ba in a bid. Ba in a big. First one is correct. Ba in a bin. So circle bin. Okay. And write it twice. And say and write. Okay. Ba in a bin. Ba in a bin. Ba in a bin. Ba in a bin. Okay. Now this what is this? This is a hip. Ha it a hit. Ha ipa hip. Ha is a his. Which one is correct? The middle one. Ha ipa hip. So write it twice. Ha e pa hip. Ha e pa hip. Okay, ha e pa hip. Now come here. What is this? This is the tip of your pencil. So read out. La ipa lip. Ta in a tin. Ta ipa tip. Circle it and write it here. Ta e pa tip. Ta e pa tip. Okay. Now what is this? This is toolkit. Okay, but this is not toolkit. Why? Because there are fruits and vegetables. So there are sandwiches and there is fruit. So this is what? This is food kit. Okay, this is food kit. Tiffin is also known as food kit. Pine, a pin, kite, a kit, pite, a pit, kite, a kit. Okay, kit carrying something. So this is lunch box, but it is carrying food, so it is a kit. Like eat, kit, ka, eat, kit, kaita, kit. Now come to next picture. Again, this boy is getting trophy. Okay, cup. So, vaina win, vaiga veg, vaita wit. What comes? Vaina win. Very good. Now you all understood. Vaina win. This boy is a winner. Win. Write it twice, 2 times. Okay, vaina win. Now this girl is what? Sipping. So saipa sip, saita sit, saiksa six. Which one is correct? First one. Saipa sip. This girl is sipping. Today is very hot. So she is sipping something cold. Sip. Saipa sip. Okay. Now this finishes our page number 42. Okay, do it in your book properly. Now kids, open page number 43 of your English book. Okay, and now read the heading. What is the heading? I am ready to read. Okay, you all are ready to read? Yes, I am ready to read. Choose the correct sight word from the word list and complete each sentence. So here comes the sight words. L-O-O-K, look. L-O-O-K, look. And we will not read sight words spelling also, as I am telling you. L-O-O-K, you have to just see and read. Look. A-N-D, and. A-N-D, and. H-I-S, his. H-A-S, has. Look and his has. Now read the sentence. Afreen, Johnny did a jig and a spin. And 2 more sight words are here. In, I-N-N and I-T. So total 6 are there. Look and in, his, has, it. Now read. Afreen, Johnny did a jig and spin. They both are doing jigging, dancing and moving round and round. So for both, for joining the two, what we use? And. Okay, bread and butter. Okay, pen and pencil. Okay, brother and sister, father and mother. For joining the two, we use and. Okay, so put number 1 on and. Okay, and write it here. Afreen and. A, okay, N and D, and. Now read the sentences complete now. Afreen and Johnny did a jig and a spin. They are dancing. Afreen and Johnny, they are dancing. Now second. Ali, a big crib. Ali, what? Ali has a big crib. पास में उसकी what comes for having? Has. Put number 2, has. And write it here. Ali has a big crib. Okay. Ali is a little boy and he has big crib. Okay. पालना, उसके पास बड़ा सा पालना है. Ali has a big crib. Now you have to fill here at his crib. Now you all look at his crib. Okay. What comes here? Look at his crib. See, look. So where's the look? Here, put number 3 on look. Okay, and write it here. La, first word, so capital L I am using. Okay, look. Okay, la, Uka look. Look at his crib. Look at his crib. Look at his crib. Afreen and Johnny sit dash the crib. They sit in the crib. Inside. Okay, what comes? In. For inside, under, in. Use in. Number 4, put in. And fill here. Afreen and Johnny sit in the crib. Okay, they both sit in the crib. Now next. It is dash crib. It is dash crib. It is his crib. It is his crib. Where is his? Here it is. Put number 5. For boys come his. For girls come her. So now write down. It is his. It is his crib. It is his crib. And the last, Ali likes. Ali likes what? It. Ali likes it. Ali likes it. Okay. So write here I and T. It. Okay. Now this finishes the page number 43. Okay. Completed. Try to read the sentences also. Okay, beta? Try to read all the sentences. Let's take out page number 44 of your English book. Page number 44. Now read the heading. What is the heading written? Okay. Circle the word and write it to complete the sentence. We have to circle the word to complete the sentence. So here is one. Okay. And then a sentence. You have to find the one word for the sentence from the below box. Okay. Now what is this? This is a pen. Now read. I can see. You have done sight word see also. I have given in the worksheet. Okay. I can see a big pit pen 10. What is this? Pen. This one. Okay. So circle it. Okay. Circle it pen. And write it here. Pa. Na pen. I can see a big pen. Okay. Now number 2 picture. This is Alia, and what Alia is doing? Jigging, dancing very fast on the music. Alia likes to jig. Sip is wrong. Rip is not correct word for this sentence. Jig. So circle jig. Jigging means dancing. Alia likes to jig. You all like to jig or not? Yes? So right. Alia likes to jig. Okay. Now come to the 3rd picture. What this girl is doing? Digging a pit. Digging a pit. Pit means khadda. Dig means khodna. Digging a pit. Dig a big pit. Pin jig. Pit. Dig a big pit. Pa. E and ta pit. Okay. Dig a big pit. Dig a big pit. Now here this boy is what doing? Playing bat and ball. Amit can hit a 6. This boy is giving 6. Okay. So Amit can hit a 6. 6. You all love to watch cricket? In the match you have seen 6. The players they hit 6. Amit can hit a 6. 6er. Now this girl, she has a, in the coat of this girl, what is there? Zip, rip or zip? Zip. She has a zip. Circle zip and write it over here. Za-i-pa zip. Za-i-pa zip. Za-i-pa zip. Okay, now complete this. I can see a big pin. Alia likes to jig. Dig a big pit. Amit can hit a 6. She has a zip. She has a zip. Okay. Let's open page number 45 of your English book. And what is the heading? Write the word for each picture. You have to write the word for each picture. Now this first picture, What is this? This is a tip of the pencil. So write down tip. T E Pa. T E Pa. Tip. Now which number is this? 6. Write down 6. Sa X 6. Sa X 6. What is this? This is a kit. So write down spelling of kit. K E N T. Kite. Kit. Okay. Tip 6 kit. Now this rip. R ip rip. R E P rip. Okay. What is this? This is a bin. Dustbin. Bin. Ba E na bin. What is this? Bib. Ba E ba. So ba e ba bib. Ba e ba bib. Now come here. Which picture is this? Rib. Right? R E ba rib. This is win. Va E na win. Vaina win. And this one is wig. Va E ga wig. Okay. So complete this page. Tip 6 kit. Tip 6 kit. Rip bin bib. Rib bin wig. Okay. Kids, open page number 46 of your book. Okay. And now read the heading. Let's read to understand. Okay. Now this is our short story. We are going to read it. Look at Millie. Look at Millie. She digs a sand pit. Look at Millie. She digs a sand pit. This is Millie and she is digging a sand pit. An ant hid in the pit. An ant hid in the pit. Who is in the pit? Ant. Who is this? Ant. An ant hid in the pit. An ant hid in the pit. Millie sits in the sand pit. Millie sits in the sand pit. See, Millie sits in the sand pit. The ant bit Millie. What happened when Millie sit in the sand pit? Ant bit Millie. The ant bit, cut Millie. Okay. She ran fast and had a swim. So she ran fast. Oh, and bit me and had a swim. And had a swim. She ran fast and had a swim. Look at Millie. She digs a sand pit. An ant hid in the pit. Millie sits in the sand pit. The ant bit Millie. She ran fast and had a swim. Okay. Now number the pictures in the proper sequence. So this is the story of Millie and the ant. This Millie is in the sand pit. Now Millie is swimming and she is digging the sand pit. So what Millie did first? Which will be the first picture? Tell me. Swimming, last one. Sitting. First of all, she dig a pit. So write number 1 here in this square. Okay, this is the number 1. Millie digs a sand pit. Now this is number 2. Okay, she sits in the sand pit. Write number 2. Okay, and number 3 in the last, when ant bit Millie, she had a swim. So number 3. Okay, 1, 2, okay, and 3. Now read the sight words. Ha, ada, had, H-A-D, had, pass में था, had, L-O-O-K, look, A-T, at, H-A-D, had, L-O-O-K, look, A-T, at. A-N-D and S-H-E, she, and I-T, ate. Okay, so we have finished page number 46. Okay kids, page number 46. Now kids, open page number 47 of your English book. Page number 47 and heading is Let's Read, Think and Color. Read the story, color the picture that goes with it. So first of all you have to read this story in the yellow circle and then you have to choose the correct picture and color. So let's start. A big twig. This story is about a big twig. A big twig. A big twig. Jenny and Amit. Jenny and Amit dig a pit. Jenny and Amit dig a pit. The pit has a twig. The pit has a twig. The pit has a twig. Okay. The pit has a twig. The twig is big. The twig is big. The twig is big. Jenny and Amit hid the twig. Jenny and Amit hid the twig. Jenny and Amit hid the twig. Now two pictures are there. One picture is of box and the boy and girl. They are peeping inside. So this picture is not correct. Okay. So put a cross. Okay. This is wrong picture. And this is correct because Jenny and Amit hid the twig. Okay. This is correct. This picture is correct. So okay, this picture is correct. Amit and Jenny hid the twig. So put a right, and now we are going to color it. Okay, now we are going to color out this picture. We have chosen the correct picture. Now first I am doing skin color. Okay, in the faces of boy and girl. Okay, you also start doing with ma'am. And hands also I am doing skin color. Okay, boy's hand. Now I am doing girl's hand. Okay, do it properly. Color should not come out. Now I am doing legs also. Skin color, light orange. Okay, and the boy is wearing pants, so I am not doing in the legs of the boy. Okay, now I am taking the color, which color? Yes, pink for the girl's dress. Okay, now I am going to color the girl's dress in pink color. You also do. Okay, girl's favorite color, pink. Now for boy I am taking blue shirt. Okay, blue shirt and pant also I am doing blue. Okay, blue shirt and blue pant. Done. You have done, kids? Okay, now I am taking green color. Okay, no, first I am taking brown. First I am doing the pit. Green I have taken for twig, but afterwards I will do. First I am doing the pit. Now I am doing the twig with green color. Okay, you also do properly. Okay, you can do any color of your choice. It's up to you. Now I am doing hair of girl and boy in black color. Black hair of girl. Do properly, okay, and carefully. And black hair of boy. Done. Now I am taking orange color to cover the land, remaining part of the land. Okay, I am doing an orange color. You can do yellow also or any other green, dark green. Okay, now I am tracing the boundaries first and then filling the complete color. I am doing orange. You can take yellow color also. Yellow also looks good here. Okay, so completely, and take care. All the things in the pictures are very small. Okay, so do it very properly. Now I am about to finish. Done. Okay, now I am doing shoes of boy and girl in black color. Okay, now I have done the shoes. Okay, now you can do blue color also as sky if you want to do. If you don't want to do, then this picture is okay with these colors only. Okay, if you want to do, you can do the sky. Okay, but don't do scribbling, just do shading with light blue color. Okay, don't do dark color, only like this. Okay, in a shading form you can do. Okay, now I have completed.
So kids, now you all please complete your book properly and send to me. Okay.